Nation, with intellect and imagination, do consider this dissertation available for dissemination onto its origination. Please feel free to deliver to any desired location. If this is a rap or deserves the hippie snaps depends in part on one's tempo. Duly noted, densely packed is something here that sounds like fact. You may choose to stay or go, who knows? Since we have been in despair, lessons learned out here to share with rhythm and some harmony. Learn the concepts and the rules, the symbols and the facts, and the music helps with memory. Numbers are a part of math. Can you count on everything? When one wonders why I use numbers, answer 2, 1, 2, count things. Take a portion out of everything, then we can define a domain in which to interact that's neither yours nor mine. All or none, part or all, great or less than, big or small. In order that we can be fair, now we learn how to compare. Increase, decrease, top to bottom, left to right. Consider the continuum portioned into equal size. Arrangement made, we do concur to use these symbols that endure. Almost ready now are we to count and measure reality. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Notice no one symbol for the next word in the line. 10. Count to see how many times that you can count to 10. Once you count to 10 9 times, the hundreds value place begins. Count to 100 10 more times and you will start to see that each place value means 10 times more than every place that came before. Each zero as it takes its place means every number one more space, multiplies them all by 10, and then the next place value begins. Place value helps to recognize, to understand the real size of everything we measure, count, and see. Now, numbers have been a part of math. Can you count on everything? Can everything that's lost be found? This question to us science brings. Do our eyeballs come before our brains to organize and then arrange the symbols and the meanings so their concepts aren't so strange? 2. Count and measure the universe. Use units. Wonder what came first. In science, maybe hydrogen is a good place to begin. 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. Water makes amazing friends. Mix some magic carbon in and life is ready to begin. Now the truth in H's, C's, and O's is that they already know just exactly how to be a part of this reality. One more step that you might go, learn this, that they already know. Cooperate with reality and love your H's, O's, and C's. There you go. Yeah. What is learned wants to be known. The learner yearns to say. There's something known that could be shown with letters here today. Letters are for language that comes from all around. Investigate thoughts, record your feelings, and turn them into sound. Tell stories about far away. Grammar makes sense of what you say. Thoughts, words, spoken, heard. The message sent, double check intent. That means verify before you walk away. Now, words are the symbols of that which we know, the lessons we learned about that which is so. Words are like water where everything goes into the meaning of life. A word to the poet, a word about love, a word to the searcher, a sign from above. The numbers and the letters are the symbols of the truth. Don't set them incorrectly with intention to confuse. Get wrapped in them for very long and you'll forget that life's a song, and that is why the music and the art, they do belong. See, now notice quantity not yet covered is science that was missed. If you choose to use the music, then you can count this. That's time. Music is sound arranged in time, delivered through the air. When good vibrations reach the eardrum, dance like you don't care. Physically, your body's moving. Which ways can it bend? a little competition to learn your teamwork, then shake hands and make new friends. Then light and sound, we know from science, now they're all around. Through the senses they do enter, and can they compound. Imagination, memories, add them to the mix. And when one consults the muse, the artist and the art come to exist. Now don't forget about social studies, the hardest thing to see. It's like the air, it's everywhere, it's made of you and me. The symbols and the ideas and the concepts come together, gather them somehow to learn from the behavior of the people then and now. See, the symbols that we move around to count and measure and make sound. Be the best that you can be. Match symbols to reality.